Have you ever wondered why some people make fortunes from trading while others lose everything? Why the same market that creates millionaires also destroys lives? The truth is, trading is not what most people think. And today, I'm going to show you what trading really is and how you can actually do it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see trading with new eyes. What is trading? At its core, trading is simple. It's the exchange of assets to profit from price movements, stocks, currencies, commodities, crypto. But here's the twist. Trading is not about predicting the future. It's about managing risk and making decisions under uncertainty. Think of it like this. A trader is not a fortune teller. A trader is more like a professional gambler. But unlike the gambler, a trader can tilt the odds in their favor. And here's something most beginners get wrong. Trading is not the same as investing. Investors buy and hold for years. Traders buy and sell in minutes, hours, or days. Investors marry their positions. Traders date them. Why people fail? So, if trading sounds this simple, why do 90% of people fail? Because they come to the market chasing money, not discipline. They gamble, they over-leverage, they ignore risk, and the market punishes them every single time. But here's the good news. If you can avoid their mistakes, you instantly put yourself ahead of most traders. And that brings us to the real question: how to do trading the right way? Before we go deeper, if you're serious about trading and don't want to miss the upcoming strategies and insights, hit that subscribe button right now, because what's coming next could be the difference between losing and winning. How to do it? Step by step. Step 1. Learn the basics. Understand what you're trading: stocks, Forex, or crypto. Learn how markets move. Know the language, candlesticks, trends, support, resistance. Step 2. Build a strategy. A strategy is your playbook. When to enter, when to exit, how much to risk. Without a strategy, you're just gambling. Step 3. Manage risk. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Use stop losses. Keep position sizes small. Remember, protect your capital first. Profits come later. Step 4. Control your emotions. Fear makes you exit too early. Greed makes you hold too long. Revenge makes you blow up. Discipline makes you win. Step 5. Practice and adapt. Start small. Test your strategy. Learn from mistakes. Adapt to market conditions. The best traders bend, but never break. The mindset of a trader. Trading isn't just numbers on a screen. It's a battle with yourself. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care if you win or lose. To succeed, you need patience, discipline, and the ability to think in years, not minutes. This is why most people fail. But this is also why a few succeed. Now you know what trading really is and how to start. But remember, this is just the beginning. The deeper you go, the more secrets you will uncover. So here's your choice. Scroll away, forget this video, and stay in the 90% who fail or they take action. Subscribe now. And join the 10% who are ready to play the game the right way. Your journey as a trader starts today. Subscribe and don't miss what's coming next.